Hello everyone and welcome to mfdtools.in. In this video, we'll show you how to add your company logo, name and other business details to your account. Once your profile is set up, all the PDFs and stickers you generate through our platform will automatically include your branding. Let's get started. First, log into your mfdtools.in account. After logging in, there are two ways to access your account settings. The first method is through the pop-up that appears when you log in for the first time without completing your profile. This notification lets you know that your account details are incomplete. Simply click Go to Account Settings button and you'll be taken directly to the profile page. The second method is through the navigation menu. In the top right corner of the screen, click on MFD Details to open the drop-down menu and then select Account. This will take you to the same profile information page. On this page, you'll find the profile information form. Here, you'll be asked to provide the following details: your company logo, your full name, email address, your company email address, optional if you'd like it to appear on your generated PDFs, your phone number, your ARN number, and your company name. To upload your logo, simply click the Upload New Image button and select your logo from your device. Once you have filled in all the required information, click the Save Profile Details button to save your changes. That's it. Your profile is now set up. To verify that everything has been updated correctly, open any calculator or research tool on the platform. Enter the required information and click on the Download PDF or Snapshot button. Your generated document will now display your company logo and business details automatically. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. You can visit us at mfdtools.in for more details and enrollment. For further clarification, you can contact us at our email address or through our given phone number. Thanks for watching.